Alright guys, so I decided, since I'm waiting here, I'm going to be waiting for a while to get this cleaned up so we can move all this back over there in the shade. And so figure I'd give you a little video. This is a Branson 7845, 78 horse, H&S bifold 12-wheel rake. And listen to this tractor. I don't know if you can hear the turbo on the phone or not. Yeah, she rolls some coal. It's got a 4-cylinder diesel in it, 4-cylinder turbo diesel. And go a little bit over this tractor a little bit. Got your ranges, your gears, hydraulic remotes, loader control. Windshield wiper, I haven't figured that out. Lights and all this and that, hazards. Forward, neutral, and reverse shuttle. Hydraulic clutch, parking brake. PTO, 540, 750, and 1000. Got your cup holder here, a little bit of space here, a little bit of space here. You got the draft control, your 3-point arms, PTO. You got your radio, air conditioning. Radio works. And we've been baling a lot of hay. What is it? I don't know what time it is. Maybe afternoon, sometime in the afternoon. Started at 11 and been doing it till I think it's like 1 or 2, maybe 3 o'clock. I don't know. I've been too busy to pay attention to the time. Let's get you an outside view of the tractor. Another outside Branson. Kind of a little walk around. You got your lights, they do work with the brake. She's got quite a few hours on her. I'll show you the turbo. Right there. Check, make sure everything's good, and it is. So, see you next video.